Yes. We've got a couple more days of rain potential in the forecast. Now, not every day is created equal when it comes to coverage of the rainfall. I think things today will be pretty hit and miss. So if you're trying to kind of work outdoors for the end of your weekend, if you want to get outside, get out to the pool, you can still try and do it. We'll have some isolated activity that develops later today, but it's not going to impact everyone. For right now, we're seeing a little bit of cloud cover, but otherwise mostly clear conditions. Rainfall up towards the north of us, further into Indiana, is moving up towards the north, so that's not going to impact us, but especially as we get closer to lunchtime into the afternoon hours, rain becomes a little bit more likely. Those rain chances stay in the forecast tomorrow as well, with likely more widespread rainfall arriving as we get into Monday evening. That will be associated with this next round of rain that's created more organized showers and storms stretching through portions of the Midwest. It's all associated with an incoming cold front. Now, the actual cold front not going to arrive until Tuesday or Wednesday, but ahead of that cold front, it'll push through a round of rainfall likely tomorrow evening. Now, once that cold front actually moves through, we'll get to enjoy a little drop in humidity as we move into the middle of the week, and it'll also help to dry out our conditions come Wednesday and Thursday. This cold front, though, will push in isolated to scattered showers and storms the next couple of days. It comes with a severe weather threat, which today is reserved off towards the west. So we are not included in that risk for severe weather today. I'm not going to rule out an isolated storm that could become a little stronger, some heavier rainfall, some lightning and thunder certainly possible, but the true severe weather threat stays off towards the west along the cold front. As this front scoots a little bit further down towards the southeast, that level 1 risk encompasses all of our area. So by tomorrow, we're talking some isolated storms that could produce gusty, perhaps even damaging winds, as well as some hail. Isolated activity today, more scattered tomorrow, and then that severe weather threat really holds off until Monday. Even then, it will be a kind of low-end risk for severe weather. Rain chances stay at about 40% today, so it's not a guarantee for rainfall. If you're trying to get outdoors, I would urge you to do it. Just remember, if you hear thunder, take it inside. Not all of us will be impacted by rainfall, but a number will see one of those isolated storms later this afternoon. Rain chances go up to about 60% on Monday, but I want to show you on our future cast how that plays out, because those rain chances, the higher ones, are really reserved for the evening. Here it is hour by hour, mix of sunshine and cloud cover today, isolated storms bubbling up into the early afternoon. Good deal of heat in the forecast today as well, so high temperatures will manage to climb up into the mid to even upper 80s. Now, where the storms develop, we could enjoy a little bit of rain-cooled air, so a quick drop in those temperatures. As we go into the overnight hours, anything that develops will clear out. Most of the day tomorrow, kind of quiet. It's not until likely closer to sunset this line of showers and storms approaches from the northwest. This will spread down towards the southeast, breaking apart as it does so. So while it still presents that risk for severe weather, there will still be some isolated stronger storms. Again, our severe weather threat remains pretty low. Rain chances linger, perhaps a couple spotty showers for your Tuesday, and then we dry out for the middle of the week. Temperatures are going to get a little bit hotter, though, as we make our way towards July 4th. Highs are jumping back up into the low 90s. Gabe?